Welcome to FTC Academy. Now we discuss about NEET 2020 Biology question paper answer keys. Which of the following region of the global exhibits highest species diversity? Answer is Amazon forest. Next question is, in water hyacinth and water lily pollination take place by insects or wind? Next question, the enzyme enterokinase help in conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. Next question, presence of which of the following condition in urine or indicative diabetes mellitus? Ketonuria and glycosuria. Next question, experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by Morgan. Next question, which of the following is not an attribute of population species interaction? Next, goblet cells of alimentary canals are modified from? Answer is columnar epithelial cells. Next question, Floridian starch has structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen is the answer. Next question, identify the correct statement with the reference to the human digestive system. Answer is ileum is highly covalent part. Next question, secondary metabolites such as nicotine, staurokin and caffeine are produced by the plants further. Answer is defense action. Next question, from his experiments, S.L. Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following in a closed flask. Answer is CH4, H2NH3 and water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. Identify the incorrect statement, that is, answer is sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in color. Next question, this is a E3 model question paper. So 59th question, name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on the sugarcane crop increases the length of the stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane crop. Answer is gibberellin. Question number 59. The first phase of translation is aminoacetylene of tRNA. Next question, embryological support for the evaluation disapproved by? Answer is Carl Ernst von Baer. Next question, dissolution of the synaptomal complex occurs during? Answer is diplotin. Next question, meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed. Answer is at the time of fusion of a sperm within a ovum. Next question, which of the following pair is of unicellular algae? Answer is chlorella and spirulina. Next question, identify the substances having the glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. Answer is inulin and insulin. Next question, strobili or cones are found in equisetum. Next question is, the roots that originate from the base of the stem or fibrous root. The ovary in half inferior in. Answer is blum. And next one is the match the following. Organ of Corti, cochlea, elastic tube. This answer is first one 4, 2, 1, 3. Next question 69. Identify the wrong statement with the reference to immunity. Active immunity is the quick and gives full response. Then 70th question is, some dividing cells exist in the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage G0. This process occurs at the end of G1 phase. 71 question. Select the correct statement. Answer is glucocorticoid stimulates glucogenesis. 72 question. Match the following disease with the causative organism and select the correct option. Typhoid, pneumonia and filaria, malaria. These are the diseases. The answer is, first one is answer match to third. Typhoid, salmonella bacteria. Then fourth one, pneumonia, Haemophilus. Filariasis, Chiria. Malaria, Plasmodium. So answer is 3, 4, 1, 2. 73 question. Select the correct match. Sickle cell anemia, autosomal recessive trait chromosome 11. And 74th question. Which is the important site of formation of the glycoprotein and glycolipid in eukaryotic cell? Answer is Golgi body. 75th question. In relation to cross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? Gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. And 76th question is, which of the following would help in prevention of the diuresis? Answer is reabsorption of sodium and water from the renal tubules due to aldosterone. And 77th question. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase, gap 1 of the interphase. Answer is, cell is metabolically active, grow but does not replicate its DNA. 78th question. Which of the following refer to the correct example of organism which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic action? Answer is B, C, D. Next question. The plant's part which consists of two generations, one within the other. Answer is A and D. 80th question. Match the tropical levels with the correct species example in the grassland ecosystem. Fourth tropical level. Option is 2, 3, 4, 1. That is, fourth tropical level is vulture. And second tropical level is rabbit. First tropical level is grass. Third tropical level is crow. And 81st question. The QRS complex in the stand ECG represents depolarization of ventricles. 82 question. The process responsible for facilitating loss of water in liquid from the tip grass blade at right in the early morning is, answer is root pressure. According to the Robert May, the global species in the diversity about, answer is 7 million. 84th question. In a gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragment can be visualized with the help of, answer is ethidium bromide in UV radiation. Match the following essential elements and their function in plants. Iron, zinc, boron, manganese. Options are, first one is third, then 4, 2, 1. 86th question. Flippers of the penguins and dolphins are the example of convergent evaluation. And 87th question is, if the distance between the two consecutive base pair of 0.34 nanometer and total number of base pairs of DNA double helix in the typical mammalian cell 6.6 into 10 power 9 BP, the length of the DNA approximately 2.2 meters. Some question papers the options will be changed, so just you note the answer only. And 80th question, match the following columns and select the correct options. Floating ribs located between the second and seventh rib. Answer is 4, 3, 1, 2. And 89th question. The Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for control of emission of the ozone depleting substance. 90th question. Choose the correct para for from the following. Ligase join the two DNA molecule. And 91 question. Which of the following statements about inclusion body is incorrect? These are involved in ingestion of food particle. Ray florists have inferior ovary. And next question is, which of the following is not an inhibitory of the substance governing seed dormani, gibberellic acid? And 94th question, BT cotton variety was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis. Is the insect pest. 95th question is, identify the wrong statement with the reference to transport of oxygen. Answer is higher H plus conic and alveoli flavors of the formation of oxyhemoglobin. And 96th question is, bilateral symmetrical and acylomate animals are exemplified by Pylanthemanthus. And 97th question is, match the following column and select the correct option. And BT cotton, adenosine. The answer is 4 order. Answer order is 4, 1, 2, 3. Then 98th question, by which method was a new breed Hisredal of a ship formed by using Bickney reefs and merino rams? Answer is crossbreeding. 99th question is, match the following columns and select the correct options. Eosinophil, basonophil, neutrophil and lymphocytes. Answer row is 3rd, 4, 2, 1. And next question, 100th question is, which of the following statement is correct? Answer is adenine pass with thymine through 2 H bonds. 101 question is, the inferior stage of plasmodium that enters in the human body is sporozoites. And 102, the body of the ovule is fused within the funicule at helium. 103, next question is 103, snow blindness in Antarctic region is due to? Answer is inflammation of the corner to high dose of the UVB radiation. And 104, which of the following statement is not correct? Answer is, the functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by hydrogen bonds. 105 question, identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. Answer is, sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligase. 106, match the following with respect to meiosis. Answer is, the row is 4, 3, 2, 1. Zygotin, synapses. Pachytin, crossing over. Diplotin, schismata. Diagnosis, terminalization. This is the answer. And 107, which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? Answer is B and C. That option is correct. And 108, which of the following is incorrect about the viroids? The correct about viroids. Answer is, they have free RNA without protein coat. Then 109, the specific, the palindromic sequence which is recognized by EcoRI is 5-GATTC3 and 3-GTTAAG5-. And 110 question, select the correct events that occurs during the inspiration. Answer option is A and B. That is, correct event is contraction of diaphragm and contraction of external costal muscles. And 111 question is, match the following: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. Pituitary gland is the diabetes insipidus. and thyroid gland is the Graves' disease, and adrenal gland is the Addison disease, and pituitary gland, correct, and pancreas is the diabetes mellitus. So option row is third, 1, 4 and 2. Match the following column and select the correct options. 615 pair of gill slits, and options row is 2, 3, 4, 1. And 113 question for E3 model question paper. If the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the head holds the small propagation of the nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral parts of the body. 114. How many true breeding plant variety died? Mental select as pair, which were similar except is one character with the contrasting trait. Answer is 14. Mental select as pair, which were similar except is one character with the contrasting trait. Answer is 14. Please subscribe the FTC Academy channel. Next question is 115. Cuboidal epithelium with the brush border of microvilli is found in. Answer is proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. Next question. The sequence that control the copy number of linked DNA in the vector is termed oocyte. And next question is the match 117. Match the organism with its use in biotechnology. Bacillus thuringiensis. That question. The answer order is correct option is first one is order is 4, 3, 1, 2. And 117th question. Next question is 118th question. 118. Sorry, wait a minute. In the light reaction, plastocyanine facilitated the transfer of electrons from PS to side P6F complex. Then 119, the process of growth in the maximum during log phase. 120th question, the product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenous in the root nodule of leguminous plants is or ammonia and hydrogen. And 121st, match the following column 1 and column 2. Select the correct options. Gregarious polyphagus pest. Answer order is 4, 1, 2, 3. Then next question 122. Which one of the following is the most abundant protein in the animal? Answer is collagen. And 123 question is identify the basic amino acid from the following. Answer is lysine. 124 question, match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1 Clostridium botulism. Column 2 cyclosporin. The answer order is 2, 1, 4 and 3. 125 question. Which of the following hormone level will cause the release of ovulation from the Graafian follicle? Answer is high concentration of estrogen. Next 126th question. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in the photorespiration leads to the formation of. Answer is 1 molecule of 3C compound. 127th question. Select the option including all sexually transmitted disease, that is gonorrhea, syphilis and genital herpes. And 128th question. The transverse section of the plant show the following anatomical features. The 4 features is there. Identify the category of the plant and its parts. Answer is monocotyledonous stem. And 129th question. The number of subtract level of phosphorylations in one turn of citric acid cycle is. Answer is 1. And 130th question. Match the following inhibitor of catalytic activity rich in. Answer order is 2, 4, 3, 1. And 131 question is Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Wait a minute. (131) question is, identify the wrong statement with the reference to the gene I that control ABO blood group. Answer is, when Ig and Ib are present together, they express same type of sugar. And 132 question is, in which of the following techniques the embryo are transferred to assist those female who cannot conceive? Answer is GIFT and IUT. And 133, which of the following is put into anaerobic digest for further sewage treatment? Answer is activated sludge. 134, name the enzyme that facilitate opening of DNA helix during transcription. Answer is RNA polymerase. 135, match the following column and select the correct option. Placenta, androgen, column 2. Answer options are order 2, 3, 4, 1. Thank you, students. Please subscribe our channel. Next video is Physics NEET 2020 answer keys. Thank you. Thank you for visiting our channel.